There was a man named Richard. He worked in a firm. He had a small family. His wife Laura. And their only son Harry. Harry was in class 5. Arthur earned well. He provided every comfort for his family. Harry studied in a big private school. Its fee was too high for most people. Arthur often bought toys for him, especially cars and bikes. Laura was careful and wise. She cooked only enough food and did not like wasting anything. But Harry was not careful. He often asked for burgers, fries, and sandwiches, but left them half-eaten. Laura explained many times, but Harry ignored her. One early morning, Laura woke up and went to Harry's room.
Harry, wake up.
Harry opened his eyes a little.
Why, Mom?
Laura smiled.
It's morning. You have to go to school.
Harry yawned.
Oh no, my dream broke.
Laura laughed softly.
You can see it again tonight. Now wake up.
She went to the kitchen and prepared breakfast. She made toasted bread slices, 2 boiled eggs, tea for Arthur, and milk for Harry. Soon she placed everything on the table, with butter and jam. Arthur came and sat down. After a while, Harry came too.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Arthur smiled.
Good morning, my son.
Laura, pouring tea into a cup, nodded. Harry started eating. When he looked at his wristwatch, he put the half-eaten egg on the plate and stood up.
Oh no! I am getting late.
Laura said strictly.
No, you are not. Finish your boiled egg.
But he picked up his lunchbox and ran out.
Mom, I'll be late. Bye!
Arthur picked up his briefcase.
Okay, I am leaving too.
After both left, Laura picked up the half-eaten boiled egg. She sighed.
I don't need to cook for myself. Harry's leftover is enough.
Then she picked up his milk glass. It was still half full. She put it in the fridge. That afternoon, Harry came home and placed his lunchbox on the kitchen counter. After lunch, he was going to rest. Laura opened the lunchbox to wash it. One sandwich was still inside. She sighed.
Harry.
Yes, Mom?
He turned back. Laura showed the sandwich.
You didn't eat it.
Harry said carelessly.
Mom, my tummy was full after one sandwich. What can I do?
He turned and left. Laura looked at the sandwich.
What will I do now? I already had lunch.
In the evening, Laura made a banana milkshake for Harry. She made tea for herself. Harry was talking about his coming test while drinking. Laura finished her tea and asked,
"What will you eat for dinner?"
Harry thought for a moment.
Mom, macaroni. But please add more cabbage.
Laura smiled.
"Sure."
That night, they were eating dinner. Harry stopped eating and cleaned his mouth with a napkin. Half the macaroni was still on his plate. Laura frowned.
"Finish it."
Harry sighed.
Mom, my tummy is full.
He stood up and left quickly. Laura shook her head. One afternoon, Harry was returning from school. On the way, he saw a poor child searching for food in a garbage bin. The child then found a bread slice and quickly picked it up. Harry felt deeply sad.
Oh God, he is so hungry.
Before Harry could reach him, the boy turned into another street. Harry took a deep breath and walked home. He rang the bell. Laura opened the door.
Hi, Mom.
Harry said softly. After freshening up, he came with his lunchbox. Laura asked,
"What will you eat?"
Harry gave her the lunchbox.
Mom, one sandwich is still inside. Just warm it. It is enough.
Laura looked surprised.
"Are you sure?"
Harry nodded. She warmed it. Harry ate quietly and went to his room. In the evening, Harry was watching a movie when Laura came to the lounge. She gave him a banana milkshake. Then she asked,
"What should I cook tonight?"
Harry smiled.
Mom, you cook everything delicious. But please make only one serving for me.
Laura looked surprised but said nothing. She walked to her room and thought.
What happened to him?
That night, Laura took a glass of milk to Harry's room. She placed it on the side table and sat on his bed.
"Harry, you look upset. What happened?"
Harry took a deep breath and told her about the hungry boy.
Mom, when I was returning from school today, I saw beggar boys searching for food in the garbage. He looked very hungry. He took out a bread slice from the garbage, even though it was dirty with germs. Before I could reach him, he turned into the next street.
Laura sighed.
Many children belong to poor families.
Harry said slowly.
Mom, now I understand. I should not waste food.
Laura smiled warmly.
That's good.
The next morning, after breakfast, Harry stood up for school. Laura gave him 2 lunch boxes. Harry looked surprised.
Mom, too?
Laura smiled softly.
You can share one with any poor child.
Harry hugged her tightly.
My mom is so sweet.
Laura laughed.
And you are my sweetest son.
Harry laughed. Just then, he saw the time on the wall clock.
Oh no! I am getting late!
he exclaimed and ran out. Moral: don't waste food and be kind.